Today we will see how to approach this kind of effect. First, create a sphere. Increase the segments. Then duplicate the sphere. Reduce the size and decrease the segments. Add a tractor. Now increase the strength of a tractor and decrease the value of speed limit. Now add rigid dynamics to this sphere. Add collider dynamics to another sphere. Now add a cloner. Now make an object as child of the cloner. Make as grid array. Do the adjustment as you like. Move the cloner away from the other object and do the adjustment as you like. Add random effector and adjust the value. Wow! We are almost close. Then add Medable and make cloner as a child of Medable. Do some adjustment to Medable. Adjust the cloner value as you like. Now let's add some movement for the sphere. Add vibrate tag and change the values as you like. Now make a tractor as a child of sphere and reset the values to 0.